Understanding the phrase, braggart. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English term, braggart. This word is not just interesting, but also quite useful in describing a specific type of behavior. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will shed light on what it means to be a braggart. So, let's get started. Braggart is a noun that refers to someone who boasts about themselves excessively. These boasts are often about their achievements, possessions, or abilities. The key aspect of a braggart is that they do it in a way that is loud, proud, and a little too much for others. It's different from just being proud of oneself. A braggart often lacks humility and can make others feel uncomfortable or annoyed. The term braggart has been in use since the late 16th century. It comes from the Middle French word braguer, which means to boast. Over time, the term evolved in English to specifically describe someone who boasts loudly and excessively. Understanding the origin helps us grasp why the term carries a somewhat negative connotation. To understand how to use braggart in a sentence, here are a few examples. 1. He's such a braggart, always telling everyone about his expensive car and exotic vacations. 2. During the meeting, she came across as a braggart, constantly mentioning her achievements. 3. I prefer modesty over being a braggart. Humility is a virtue. These examples show how braggart can be used to describe someone's behavior in various contexts. Knowing synonyms and antonyms helps in understanding the word better. Synonyms: boaster, show off, egotist. Antonyms: humble, modest, self-deprecating. In different cultures, the perception of a braggart can vary. In some cultures, being confident and vocal about one's achievements is admired. However, in many cultures, such behavior is seen as rude or inconsiderate. Understanding these cultural nuances is important, especially in an international or multicultural environment. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand what braggart means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about understanding the context and cultural nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.